Have you ever sat on your bed, fully convinced that from today, I'll change my life, and then somehow ended up scrolling on your phone for 2 hours? You want to wake up early? You want to study, work out, start that side project. Your body says, nope, let's just lie here like a potato. If you've ever wondered, why am I so lazy even though I actually want to improve? This video is for you. Today, we'll break down the science of motivation, what's happening in your brain, why you procrastinate, and how to trick your brain into taking action, even when you don't feel like it. First, let's clear one thing. You are not broken. You are not uniquely lazy. What you call laziness is often just your brain following its default programming. Avoid pain, save energy, chase rewards. Your brain is still wired like your ancestors who had to save every bit of energy to survive. Walking, finding food, all that took effort. So the brain evolved a simple logic. If an action feels hard, delay it. If something is easy and gives quick pleasure, do more of that. Now, fast forward to today. You don't need to hunt for food, but your brain is still in energy-saving mode. So studying, exercising, learning a skill, all feel like unnecessary effort. Whereas scrolling, snacking, watching one more video, instant reward, zero effort. Your brain loves that. To understand motivation, we need to talk about a chemical you've definitely heard of. Dopamine. People call it the pleasure chemical, but actually it's more accurate to call it the motivation chemical. Dopamine gets released when you anticipate a reward, not just when you get it. For example, seeing a notification, opening Instagram, the next episode button on Netflix. Each of these triggers a tiny dopamine hit. Your brain learns, oh, that was easy and felt good. Let's do more of that. Now compare that with opening a textbook, going for a run, starting a boring work task. There is no instant reward. The result is in the future. So your brain says, why should I waste energy now for a reward later? Let's choose the easier thing. This is one big reason why you feel lazy. Your brain is constantly choosing short-term dopamine over long-term growth. Another part of the problem is something called friction. Friction is anything that makes starting a task feel harder. Your study table is messy. Your workout clothes are in the cupboard. The file you need is buried in 20 folders. You haven't decided exactly what to do. Your brain hates this confusion. When there are too many steps before you can start, your brain quietly votes, let's just not. So it's not that you don't want to improve. It's that the path to improvement feels confusing, heavy, and tiring. So your brain chooses the path of least resistance. Do nothing. There's another sneaky thing happening, perfectionism. You don't feel motivated because you think, if I can't do it properly, what's the point of even starting? If I can't work out for 1 hour, I'll skip it. If I can't study the whole chapter, I'll do it tomorrow. If I can't make a perfect video, I won't make any. Your brain secretly uses perfectionism as an excuse to avoid discomfort. Because starting something badly still feels awkward, it chooses the safe option. No action. There is also the identity trap. If you keep telling yourself, I'm lazy, I can never stick to anything, I'm just not a disciplined person, your brain starts to believe it, and then it tries to act in a way that matches that identity. So when it's time to start something hard, your brain whispers, why are you even trying? This is not you. The result? You feel guilty, ashamed, and even less motivated. Not because you lack potential, but because your self-image is working against you. So what can you actually do about this? If you want the science-backed solutions to break this pattern, watch out for part 2. If you found this helpful, follow Infopan for science-backed insights that make you a little bit smarter and a lot more in control of your life every day.